The third method in the numerical methods is Runge-Kutta method of fourth order or RK method of fourth order. Here also we solve the differential equation of first order and first degree, that is dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y when initial conditions are given. Y of x naught is y naught. In RK method we need to find the value of y at x naught plus h. So y of x naught plus h, where h is the step size they give in the problem. Now we need to find the four values here in RK method: k1, k2, k3, k4. So how you find that k1 means by using these formulas: h into f of x naught y naught and h into f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k1 by 2, and k3 is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2, and k4 is h into f of x naught plus h. There is no divided by 2 here, and y naught plus k3. So after finding all the four values, now we find the value of y at x naught plus h, that is y naught plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So this is a method. So compared to the 5 methods in the numerical methods, so RK method is the easiest method to solve the given differential equation. So now we consider the problem here. Using the RK method or Runge-Kutta method of fourth order, find the value of y at 0.2 for the equation dy by dx is y minus x by y plus x. With initial conditions are given, y of 0 is equals to 1 by taking the h value as 0.2. So here also they clearly mention which method you have to follow. Now consider the given equation, that is given differential equation. We consider dy by dx as f of x comma y, and given initial condition is y of 0 is 1, that is inside the bracket term is your x naught and this is your y naught, and h value is 0.2, that is given in the problem here. So we need to find in RK method y at x naught plus h, that is x naught is 0 and what is the h value is 0.2. See here also we have to do the two stages when h is, if they give h as 0.1. So depending on the h value here we take the stages. Suppose they given h as 0.1, so first you have to find y at 0.1 and again find the value of y at 0.2. But here, so no need to do the stages because they clearly mention in the problem y at h value is 0.2. So after substituting here h value, directly we get the value y at 0.2. Okay, now find the value of k1, that is h into f of x naught comma y naught. H value is 0.2, f of x naught is 0 and y, this is given in the problem. Substitute in the given function, that is, what is the given function? This is the given function, y minus x by y plus x. So you have to substitute, y means here 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0, so that is 0.2. Similarly, find the value of k2, h into f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k1 by 2, that is 0.2, f of x naught means 0, h means 0.1 by 2, y naught is 1, k1 is a value just now we find it, that is 0.2 by 2, and you got here y f of 0.1 and 1.1, and substitute in the function. So this is the given function, this is same but the values will change, y minus x by y plus x. So y place you have to substitute 1.1 here, minus x place you have to substitute 0.1. Similarly in the denominator also. So you got the value, by using the calc you find this value 0.167. Now after finding k2, k3, h into f of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k2 by 2. Only this value will change, remaining all are same here. So that's why we've written here h is 0.2 and this is 0.1, and y naught plus k2 by 2 I have written directly 1.0835, means 1 plus this value divided by 2. If you do, you get this value. Now after finding this 0.2 into, now again substitute in the value same function, y minus, this is your y minus, this is your x, y minus x by y plus x, you get this value 0.1662. Again find the value of k4, that is h into f of x naught plus h, y naught plus k3, that is 0.2. Here there is no divided by 2, so don't confuse, only for the two terms we have h by 2. The last term only h and here k3, that is 0.2 and y naught plus k3. So by adding this k3 we got 1.1662. So what is the answer we get here? So 0.2, and after substituting y minus x by y plus x, this is the value 0.1414. And then at the end we find the value of y at x naught plus h, that is, this is a formula you have to remember, y naught plus 1 by 6 k1 2k2 2k3 plus k4, that is y at 0.2 is y naught is 1 by 6 k1 k2 k3 k4, already we find it, just substitute. So this is the value. So this is the method. So this is the easiest method compared to all the methods. So this is the method of doing RK method of fourth order. Now while finding the values, see there is no much difference between K2 and K3. So here 0.1667 means K3 value is nearer to K2 value only. So this is a way to remember you are getting the correct answer or not. There is no much difference between the K2 and K3. Okay, so this is the method of solving RK.